What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing the password on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you want to enhance your device's security or simply update your passcode, following the steps will ensure your device remains secure and tailored to your preferences. Open the Settings app on your device, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. If prompted, enter your current passcode. Tap on Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode again for verification, then choose a new passcode. For a standard 6-digit numeric code, enter your new code. If you want to use an alphanumeric passcode, tap Passcode Options and select Custom Alphanumeric Code or Custom Numeric Code. Enter the new passcode again to confirm. If you opt for an alphanumeric passcode, remember it can include letters and numbers, making it more secure but also potentially harder to remember. After confirming your new passcode, ensure you can unlock your device using the new code. Test the new passcode by locking your device, then unlocking it. Changing your passcode on an iPhone or iPad is a straightforward process that enhances your device's security. Remember to keep your new passcode secure and consider using an alphanumeric code for stronger protection. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.